Have you ever felt have you have you ever felt like it's so hard to if you are someone who can relate with this situation where you know what to speak, maybe you have a script or you have in your mind, but when you see the camera is there, you just cannot speak it. You feel tired and exhausted because you're repeating the same thing over and over again. How do you solve this? It's comfort, not confidence. I love this phenomena from Thomas Alex Norman, the king of camera presence. You don't need confidence to speak on camera. You are not acting as someone you are not. You just need comfort to stay calm, be yourself, and deliver your message. How do you achieve comfort? 1. Practice. This will be the most cliche advice in this video, but you gotta make more videos, man. Don't expect to do this so comfortably in your first few shots. This is a skill as hard as coding, designing, or Hollywood acting. Instead of trying to optimize your first ever video for perfection, make one video every day for the next 100 days. Stay consistent. Don't care about the quality. Be yourself, and by 100th day, you will become a completely different person. 2. Environment. Before you sit and record the video, move your body, look here and there, take a breathing exercise, and try to create a positive environment. Most people think making videos is the easiest job in the planet, while in reality, it's the hardest one. Instead of ignorance, acknowledge it's hard and create an environment where you thrive. As soon as you spot a distraction, anything that makes you feel hard to speak on camera, like temperature of the room or temperature of your own body, solve it immediately. There is a reason why someone who have grown up in an abusive environment ends up becoming abusive. Fix your environment. You always have something going wrong. Make sure you don't have any within your control. 3. Talk, don't perform. For the longest time, I did this big mistake. I considered talking to camera as like talking in a stage. You have a big audience. You have to be loud and cheerful. If not, someone out of 1,000 people will lose their attention in your speech. Yes, so many people are watching your videos, sometimes even more than a hour when you are speaking on a stage. But your goal is not to have everyone's attention, but to engage with that one person who will watch your videos regardless of the quality. How this builds comfort? For instance, if I have to entertain 100 people in a room all at once, I have to raise my conscious level, which is great, but this creates discomfort as I am one and they are 100. When it's a one-on-one conversation, the other person will hear your words regardless. You're just communicating effectively, so they act on your words. So this mindset shift will help you achieve a lot of comfort. 4. Don't look into the camera all the time. Again, a big mistake I did. When you look into the camera all the time, your eyes will start to pain. Human eyes are not wired to look into a singular object for more than 10 or 15 minutes. Your eyes will pain, you feel it hard to maintain the focus, creating a hell lot of discomfort. I'm not saying to look around all the time. If you do that with me in person, I will feel you hate me or you're not having a vibe with me. What I'm saying is, look into the camera only when you have certain points to emphasize. Apart from that, just look around or just close your eyes to bring that energy back to the camera. 80% on camera, 20% off camera. Every 10 seconds, 8 seconds should be on camera and 2 seconds should be off camera. That's all I got for this video. I hope you apply these changes. See you on the next one.